Be noisy. And there is a bed. And there is a wife. And there is a big thing going on here.
Is the door open?
Yes, it is. And there's a nice picture. So here, there's a lot of our bullshit here. And there's this like, you can have coffee. And now we gotta go to the toilet. It's a toilet. It will work. Right? And there's, you change this one. It's nothing like Hong Kong. It's clean, somehow clean. You see here, there is a little, corrosion or whatever it is in this mirror. But the mirror is clean. There is a shower. And it will probably get hot if you're lucky. And there is clean towels, and they are clean. But it's not a new hotel. But hey, we are talking 1,000 peso per night. It's cheap. And it's in a lot better place. A lot better place than this really OA. What is it called, this one we stayed in? Me Visa. OA people. That's a story. A whole story just about that we were supposed to extend. But no, we will not spend our money there. We will not spend our money there. Crazy are they? Investigating people that doesn't look rich. What really is going on? People are OA, feeling entitled. But now we're here. But I will not cheat you for this. It will be a surprise for you and me. I'll just turn the camera now.
It's your first also, right?
All no kef, Belano, right?
Oh, no kef.
This is, let's just pull the curtains together. Oh, what is that down there? That's a swimming area. And there's a yard. There used to be basketball, but I cannot see that anymore. They moved that away. Right? And the hotel is so colorful. And up here you see the hills, and you see, expensive building up there. But this is a swimming pool. And I don't have to pay 100 peso and beg to get in the water. I can just go there. Unless, of course, there is an event. Then I cannot go there. But for the price, it's perfect. This is the cheapest hotel in Cebu, including a swimming pool. And they got an aircon. And the aircon will be noisy. I will turn it on. It will be noisy. But it will cool the room down. And I will be happy. And in the middle of the night I will wake up and I will kill it because it's too cold. And I will sleep again. And the bed is nice.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And bati mong lightning ba? Okay. So karon of course na nami sa Cebu. It's our third day diri sa Cebu. And then second days dito mi sa lain nga magstayhan mo siya sa aguda.com na mo siya why am I talking in Bisaya? So anyway, sa agoda.com kami nagpa-book nung parang Airbnb, ganon. For the first 2 days namin dito. Tapos, siya, parang condo siya. Tapos, pinaparent ng unit owner yung condo nila. So, that was 2 days. But I didn't really like it there. People were like, alam mo yun, sa atin ba, parang feeling, ganun yung wala man na nag-smile, ewan ko ba, parang naiba na talaga dito sa Pinas. So anyway, sa third day, so andito na kami sa Metro Park, mura lang din dito guys, ganyan naman talaga kami mag-asawa, kung saan kami makakamura din kami, kasi iniisip namin, pag mga hotel kasi, matutulog ka lang din naman, at tapos swimming ng konti. Tapos yung activities talaga is, outside. So ito, nandito kami sa Metro Park. 1,000 yung per day nila dito. Tapos may swimming pool na. So, okay naman siya. One day lang kami dito and then after, punta kaming Bantayan. Doon na talaga yung mga beach. I think for 4 or 5 days kami doon. Tapos, nag-rent kami ng house para makamura. Tapos, yung family ko makakasama din doon. So, yun nakikita nyo dyan sa si Martin yan, yung asawa kong higante. So, enjoy lang siya. Tapos, ako naman dito after is magsiswimming na din. So, na-enjoy ko talaga guys yung bakasyon ko dito sa Pinas. Pero, masasabi ko talaga yung naobserbahan ko yung first na na-observe ko talaga ang ingay. Hindi na ako sanay. Kasi sa Denmark parang sobrang quiet lang, ganyan. Pagdating dito, puntang SM, puntang Ayala, mamimili sana ako pero pang sumakit yung ulo ko, yung ingay. Tapos sobrang traffic na ng Cebu. Parang Manila na din sa katrafikan. Imagine from the airport nothing. So from the airport going to the condotel, I don't know how you can, but anyway, it took us like 3 hours just to the traveling time. Before we can do it like 30 minutes. It's just so traffic na talaga sa city. So I'm excited to go to Bantayan. No traffic, just beach and food and the sun and some beach. So anything you want to share, Martin? I will para makita niyo yung asawa ko. Anything you want to share?
No.
Okay. So yun lang. You're enjoying your swimming?
I'm not swimming, I'm only floating.
Oh, you're enjoying your floating?
I'm enjoying my floating. I'm thinking, what is the world record of floating?
Because you think you'll win?
That's a question.
I don't know.
I want to know, what is the world record of floating?
Google it. Yeah, because actually guys, he can float. He can really float like hours and hours. See that? So anyway, mag-swimming na ako guys. Thank you so much for watching.